What they are not telling you about wildfires. Hurricane force winds came to Southern California last week. They may or may not have started the wildfires, but these winds caused the wildfires to spread, which caused tens of billions of dollars of damage. However, the government is silent on the possible dangers that lie ahead for millions of people in the Los Angeles area. Right now, I will tell you what they are not telling you about the wildfires. I will not delay. I will tell you right now this important information. These wildfires burned countless homes to the ground. These homeowners had laptop computers and/or electric cars. Both contain lithium batteries. These wildfires have manufactured tons of deadly smoke. Short-term results from inhaling lithium can be possible irritation of nose and throat, causing coughing and shortness of breath. Higher exposure could lead to a serious medical emergency involving a buildup of fluid on the lungs. There's a long list of other symptoms. However, long-term effects include possible cancer and reproductive hazards. Over the next 6 months to a year, millions of people in Southern California could become seriously ill, and others could possibly face death. This smoke is deadly. The government needs to be open and honest about the possible dangers. Your life could depend on it.